All right, welcome to this page of the notes. Now, what we did in the first couple of pages was our first objective or learning target, where we wanted you to solve single-step inequalities. And we just reviewed some of the properties of inequalities, which were simply this: you can add and subtract any number you want to from the inequality. It won't change the direction of the inequality. Also, you can multiply and divide any positive number you want to both sides of the inequality. It won't change the direction of the inequality. The one you've got to watch out for is if you multiply or divide by a negative number. When multiplying or dividing both sides of the inequality by a negative number, you have to remember to flip the inequality. What we're going to do here is our second objective or learning target, where we're now going to begin to solve multi-step inequality problems. It's just going to require a little bit more work to solve these inequalities, and we still need to watch out for that. If we multiply or divide by a negative, we got to remember to flip the inequality. So let's go ahead and get started here. Again, feel free to work ahead, come on back, check your answers, see that they match ours. I need to solve for the variable c. I have a c on both sides. Well, I'm going to need to combine my like terms. But before I can combine like terms, I got this 6 in the denominator, and I'm going to have to move that 6 out of the denominator. Since I'm dividing by 6, how do I get the 6 out of the denominator? Well, I multiply both sides by 6. So I will multiply this side by 6, multiply this side by 6. Those 6's are going to cancel each other out. That leaves me with 5c plus 58. And since I'm multiplying by a positive number, it will not change the direction of my inequality. I will simply have negative 4c times 6, which is a minus 24. And I keep my variable, minus 24c. Well, now I'm all set to go ahead and group my stuff on the same side, get my like terms on the same side of the inequality. I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 5 to the other side. Minus 5c minus 5c. In this case, I'm doing subtraction. Subtraction, you can subtract anything you want to from both sides, will not flip the inequality. So we're good. We can do that all day long. Minus 24c minus 5c should be a minus 29c. Unless somebody changed it on me. I don't think we did. Should still be 29. And then to get that c by itself, divide both sides by a negative 29. Well, here we go. That's what we just got done talking about on the previous pages. I'm dividing by a negative number. You need to remember to flip that inequality. So let's do it. C is now no longer less than or equal to. C is now greater than or equal to. And 58 divided by a negative 29 should be a minus 2. Okay, that's the first way of writing this solution. I want you to write it all three ways, so let's go ahead and get my set builder notation. I'm going to need, there we go, my bracket. My variable is c, and it's all values of c such that c is greater than or equal to a negative 2. And we'll go ahead and close those braces up. Let me slide this guy up a little bit so we can get my number line in here. Third way of doing this is going to be the number line. Let's draw a number line on here. Let's see, I need negative 2, so we'll put negative 2 right here in the middle. We'll go a couple of values in each direction. How about a negative 1, 0, and 1? That's plenty. Negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, more than enough. The question is, do I need an open or a closed circle? I agree. Since c is greater than or equal to a negative 2, equal means fill that circle in. Negative 2, we're going to fill that guy in. I need everything greater than negative 2. That's everybody going in that direction, so here we go. should look like that. That takes care of all the problems on this page of the notes. Head on over to the next page. I'll meet you there.